Hi, good morning. I am Wendy, and today I talk about the computers assisting languages learning. This topic is about how the computers influences in the school, house, and for those in jobs. This tool is very useful to teachers and students because it's easy and practice to fun to learn. Computers assistant and language in e-learnings. How can a teacher use this tool? Okay, they can use e-tool video conference and video call signs. Students can have the chance to see and to hear a conference and elaborate questions to clear their doubts. Computers assistant languages learning. This process is generally interesting. PJ prior is communication and internet code.